Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can download offline maps on Google Maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't worry about anything and just follow me. And if you have any queries or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section right away. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps and then go to your profile, and then over here you'll be having the option which is offline maps. So currently I have a local map over here, but I want to add more map, or let's say download an offline map. So just go with the select your own map and then just locate the one that you want to download. So let me just go with somewhere like this over here, and then just press download and it will start downloading like this. And that's pretty much, guys. Once the download is completed, your offline maps will be ready. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.